Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I'm going to give you a little intro about me and what to expect from this channel. So a few facts about me. I am in my mid-30s. I'm engaged to the love of my life and I'm also a dog mom. We are currently transitioning to a holistic, non-toxic / low-toxic lifestyle, and that will be the main topic of my videos and of this channel. I will be sharing all kinds of swaps you can make, which include personal items, cleaning products, kitchen items, and even some products will be some DIY recipes, which I personally love making DIYs. Plus, it's more affordable. My fiance also has a travel job, so we will be moving around quite often. So I will also include travel videos as well as vlogging on this channel. I am so excited to create and share all of these videos. My next video will be explaining why we made this transition and why you should too. So I hope you stick around so I can share everything that I am learning with you while on this journey. Please subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of my uploads. And also find me on Instagram, so I will leave that link below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!